Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing what the visa exemption stamp would look like in the event that the emergency decree were to come to an end. For those who are unaware, the emergency decree came into effect in March of 2020, came into effect as a response to the pandemic situation. And essentially, the main byproducts of it, for those who are looking to use their visa exemption, and for those who aren't aware, you can come to Thailand if you hold certain nationalities. Certain people with certain types of passports can come to Thailand and be stamped in. Prior to the emergency decree, it was stamped in for 30 days. Part of the emergency decree, some of the discretion used in the meantime, has allowed for 45 days upon entry in visa exempt status. On top of this, another requirement has been what's called a certificate of entry. There's also been COVID insurance requirements associated with being able to travel into Thailand. Now, that stated, what would happen if the decree were to end? Well, presumably, unless permanent rule changes came into effect between now and that presumptive end of the decree, everything would just snap back to what it was in Q1 of 2020. So presumably, for example, the 45-day stamp would disappear and it would become a 30-day stamp again that you get upon arrival. The other thing to think about is presumably the certificate of entry system would end. You wouldn't have to deal with certificates of entry. And this COVID insurance requirement would go away, as all of that is a byproduct of the emergency decree. Now, again, this is somewhat an exercise in speculation, but that's how it looks to me, at least as of the time of this video. We will definitely keep people updated on this channel as the situation progresses.